Kisah diawali dengan aksi sekelompok perampok bersenjata yang menyerbu sebuah bank. Tujuan utama mereka bukan sekedar uang, melainkan membobol brankas demi mengambil sebuah chip rahasia. Di tengah situasi yang mencekam, Frank, seorang polisi yang nekat, berhasil masuk ke dalam bank dengan menyamar sebagai anak kecil untuk mengelabui lawan.
Your ass.
Penyamaran tak terduga itu membuahkan hasil. Frank berhasil melumpuhkan seluruh perampok di lokasi kejadian.
Perfect morning.
Keesokan harinya, Frank disambut sebagai pahlawan di kantornya. Namun, kegembiraan itu sirna seketika saat kepala kantor mengumumkan bahwa salah satu perampok melaporkan prosedur penangkapan Frank dan rekannya, Ed. Akibatnya, mereka berdua dipindah tugaskan ke bagian lalu lintas.
It's a building. Of course.
Completely different and original.
It's me, Ed.
Meski kecewa, Frank tidak berhenti menyelidiki kasus tersebut. Di sebuah mobil yang menjadi tempat kejadian perkara, ia menemukan sebuah pemantik Zippo yang tertinggal di lokasi, yang ia amankan sebagai barang bukti.
53 years old, no wife, no kids, spitfire of a personality, self-proclaimed
Go
chocoholic.
ahead.
Oh my God, it's off.
What's up, Bonds?
Look, I know you're off the bank job.
Squeal. Whoever orchestrated this is very. Bring in one of the perps. See if we can get them talking.
Got it.
Oh, to keep you waiting, ma'am. Oh, I mean, he wasn't that stiff, really.
Penyelidikan Frank membawanya bertemu dengan Beth, istri mendiang Simon, yang melaporkan bahwa kematian suaminya sangat janggal.
No. Computers. It was a program.
Let's just leave the police work to me, okay? I understand you're upset. That's exactly what I expected. Stop till I break skin.
Tak lama kemudian, Frank menghadiri undangan Richard Kane yang sedang merayakan keberhasilan proyek terbarunya.
Lieutenant Trevor. Me too. We're our best. I know, but I'm not ruling anything out. I saw it close across the board. Hope you don't think it's awkward my saying this. Out of action. Don't ask permission. No offense.
Saat mengobrol dengan Richard, Frank menyadari sebuah detail penting. Zippo milik Richard identik dengan Zippo yang ia temukan di mobil Simon.
One. Police squad's first ever.
Yes, thank you.
Don't be shy, fella.
Good.
Watch this.
Falling apart. Thanks, partner.
Kecuriganya semakin kuat setelah Frank menginterogasi salah satu perampok bank yang wajahnya sempat ia rekam secara langsung.
Forward a bit. Listen, you seem like a decent. You need a bathroom. Maybe a little more. I'm gonna ruin it. That's you inside the bank.
You're not gonna believe this one, Frank.
Gentlemen, when you joined me to launch Eden Tech, it's only gotten worse. Now, when the
Richard Kane akhirnya membeberkan niat busuknya. Ia sedang mengembangkan proyek Inferno, sebuah teknologi yang dirancang untuk menyelamatkan kaum elit, sementara orang-orang kelas bawah dibiarkan saling membunuh.
it's time, and then you plug local community center. Decided to went through every smart device. Best live entertainment the world has to offer. It was only half a mile from where Simon Depp
Warning, please take the wheel.
came for a friend who may have been here before. Guy?
My brother. You shot him. That's right.
How is old? You can't remember, huh? Nah. Remember now?
Yeah, I remember.
Beautiful. She had a body that city jobs. I didn't need an
But did you enjoy it?
wonderful surprise. Fine, thank you. For security footage. Oh, may I ask why? Trust that we will provide them with the highest level of privacy. Spaghetti, please stay for a drink.
Untuk menggali bukti lebih dalam, Frank menyusup ke ruang keamanan Richard saat Beth mencoba mengalihkan perhatian sang konglomerat.
That's wonderful news. Cosby's private estate. Call you back. I gotta go. I gotta go.
sassafras chicken and D.
Take control of their body.
Frank berhasil mengalahkan penjaga dan menemukan rekaman kematian Simon di komputer. Namun, alarm keamanan berbunyi sebelum ia bisa melihat seluruh isi rekaman tersebut, memaksa Frank melarikan diri.
Davis, this better be good.
For the Simon Davenport murder.
Gerald presentation tomorrow. I've got no choice. I'm putting you on. You wouldn't have seen it if I didn't help you. What if we had a little dinner together?
And no.
Unless you like your threat. I like his sick look.
Excuse the mess.
It's quite a view you have.
But my oven is filthy. He must have smelled what's going on. Not for you. Put that down. I don't like that.
Ketegangan meningkat saat hubungan Frank dan Beth semakin dekat. Di tengah liburan mereka di sebuah pondok,
Douglas O'Reilly, but was informed that he hadn't made it into place. Press record, say your name, and say I did it. O'Reilly. And that's when it hit me. Hiding the body was no longer an
Frank mulai menyadari bahwa ia sedang dijebak oleh Richard dengan pola yang sama seperti yang menimpa Simon.
balls drop. Oh.
Warrant out for your arrest.
This is all because of me. I'll fix this. Excuse me, do you have a... Thanks.
Setelah berhasil melarikan diri dari jebakan maut dan mengobati lukanya, Frank mendapati informasi dari Beth tentang kesaksian terakhir Simon sebelum wafat.
You told me, well, at first.
And that's why you showed up at the Bengal again. I wrote that whole song about it.
Formasi ini membawa mereka kepada Sik, tangan kanan Richard yang berhasil mereka bius dan paksa untuk berbicara.
I'll be right there. Had to do it in our own way. Off the... That's not... Please? That won't be necessary now. The good guys won. Kane's in jail. Ooh, they're gonna love you. Shot go viral online. Not to mention, there's a new sex ed course now. So you decide that. Is that what you want? To be farting?
Sik mengungkapkan bahwa Richard akan mengaktifkan rencana besarnya dalam acara WFC malam itu.
This crowd is not happy, John. What will be possible without tonight's sponsor, Eden Tex?
Hours. She's not picking up. Yeah. Well, hello, Miss Cherry.
I'm in position. We have 20. Frank!
Folks, straight to voicemail. I bet you.
Saat tiba di lokasi, Beth yang penuh dengan dendam nyaris menembak Richard. Namun, Richard sudah lebih dulu menyadarinya.
Nice work, Frank.
I think I see.
Find something quite magnificent.
I got it. I got it. All right. Get security down there now.
What do you see, Frank?
The device has...
Ia segera mengaktifkan alat Project Inferno yang memicu kekacauan massal, membuat orang-orang di sana saling berkelahi secara brutal, sementara ia dan para orang kaya lainnya mencoba kabur dengan motor.
Okay, here. You still got it, Daddy.
Dalam pengejaran yang sengit, Frank akhirnya berhasil melumpuhkan Richard.
Stop this madness. Exactly. exactly as nature intended. Ow! My God, I think I'm gonna barf.
Sebelum ia sempat melarikan diri, Pat tiba di lokasi dengan pistol yang terarah, siap untuk menghabisi Richard. Namun, Frank berhasil menenangkan Beth dan menasehatinya agar tidak mengotori tangannya dengan darah. Alih-alih membunuh Richard, Beth memilih untuk menonaktifkan alat Inferno, mengakhiri kekacauan dan membiarkan Richard menghadapi keadilan hukum.